Students, welcome to JE class number 2. Look at the question, students. I have written a question on the board. You read that question carefully, students. Read that question carefully first. From 6 different novels and 3 different dictionaries, 4 novels and 1 dictionary are to be selected and arranged. So selected and arranged. You should do both. You should do both. Selecting and arranging in a row on a shelf, so that the dictionary is always in the middle. The dictionary should be always in the middle. The number of such arrangements is at least 1000. Minimum 1000. It can be more than 1000 also. Less than 500, it is less than 500, at least 500, at least minimum 500, can be more than 500 also, but less than 750, so at least 750, so more than 750, so minimum 750, can be more than 750 also, but less than 1000. This is rough question, students. This is not exact. When you observe, when you see the answers, it is rough questions, students. So it is enough if it is solved roughly. If you solve this roughly, surely you will get answer. Look at this, students. We have 6 different novels and 3 different dictionaries. 6 different novels, 3 different dictionaries. From that 6 different novels, 4 novels are to be selected. So 4 novels are to be selected, and from that 3 different dictionaries, 1 dictionary is to be selected. Let me see in how many ways that can be done. So look at this, students. 6 novels, total novels 6. From that 6 novels, number of selections 4 novels, C4. From that 6 novels, 4 are to be selected. 6C4. You calculate this value, students. 6C4. We have this rule. NCR is equal to NCN minus R. NCR is equal to NCN minus R. You make use of that, students. 6C4 is same as 6C. 6 minus 4, 2. 6 minus 4, 2. Next, here we have 2. That is 6 into 5. 6 into 5. You take only 2 factors. Here we have 2. Take 2 factors. 6 into 5 by 2 factorial. So write 6 into 5. 2 factorial is 2 into 1. 2 3s are 5 3s are 15. Next, you come to dictionaries. We have 3 dictionaries. From that, 1 dictionary is to be selected. Out of 3 dictionaries, 1 dictionary is to be selected. So 3C1. So it is 3 into by 1 factorial 3. Now, so selections over, students. Now let us think of arrangements. So come to this. 4 novels and 1 dictionary are to be arranged such that dictionary is always in the middle. 4 novels and 1 dictionary is to be arranged so such that for that you should keep dictionary always in the middle. So look at this, students. So write novels, novel 1, novel 2, dictionary. Novel 1, novel 2, dictionary. So next, novel 3, novel 4. Dictionary is always in the middle. You fix that. You fix this. Dictionary is fixed. If dictionary is fixed, so go for you just arrange these 4 novels, friends. This is rough work. We don't go for arranging. So internal arrangements, internal fixing we won't consider because rough answer is enough. Rough answer is enough. So these 4 novels can be arranged in 4 factorial ways. So 4 novels can be arranged. Can be arranged in 4 factorial ways. So 4 factorial means 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, 24. This is rough work, students. Here it is given at least less than so on, right? Then total is I think 3 into 15 into 24. So 15 3s are 45 into 24. I think you are going to get 1084. So 1084. So let me check, students. 1080. 1080. Rough answer. This is rough answer. Roughly calculated. So tell me answer, student. So total number of arrangements. Then so the number of such arrangements should be at least 1000. Arrangements at least means more than 1000. So it should be more than 1000. So answer is A. Your answer is A. So answer is A. Option A. Option A. At least one. Minimum arrangements should be 1000. More than 1000. At least 1000. At least means more than 1000. Right? I hope you understood, students. This is a rough question. You try roughly, you will get an answer. Right? Okay. Let us go for one more question. So, right. Let us go for one more question. So, right. So next question, if x minus 4, so 2x, so 2x, x minus 4, 2x, x minus 4 is equal to a plus bx into x minus a whole square. So then the order by AB is equal to then AB is equal to first option minus 4 5. So second option minus 4 3. Third option minus 4 5. So fourth option 4 5. Now let us try. It's so easy question, students. Determinant question. It is so dead easy. Solution. You apply properties for this left side determinants. I apply R1 plus R2 plus R3. So R1 plus R2 plus R3. So implies 4x 5x minus 4. 5x minus 4. 5x minus 4. 5x minus 4. So 2x x minus 4. 2x x minus 4 is equal to a plus bx into x minus a whole square. So remove that 5x minus 4 as common. So you remove that as common. 5x minus 4. So remaining is 1, 2x x minus 4. 2x 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 x minus 4 is equal to a plus bx into x minus a whole square. apply property students. So write r2 minus r1, c2 minus c1, c3 minus c1, c2 r c1 minus c2, c1 minus c2, c1 minus c2. So one more, c1 minus c3, c1 minus c3. You can do it anyway, or you apply this c2 minus c1, c3 minus c1. So right students, 5x minus 4 into, write the c1 as it is 1, 2x 2x, c2 minus c1, 1 minus 1 0 0, x minus 4 minus 2x, that is x minus 4 minus 2x. So tell me that students, x minus 2x minus x minus of 4 plus x or x plus 4. So next 2x minus 2x 0, c3 minus c1, 1 minus 1 0, 2x minus 2x 0. Next x minus 4 minus 2x. So minus of x plus 4 minus of x plus 4. So write minus x, right, is equal to what? A plus bx into x minus a whole square. X minus a whole square. So now look at this students. This implies triangle 0. Triangle 0 means the value of the determinant is product of principal diagonal elements. If triangle becomes 0, if triangle upper triangle or lower triangle is 0, the value of such determinant is equal to product of principal diagonal elements. Tell me that 5x minus 4 into product x plus 4 whole square. X plus 4 whole square is equal to a plus bx and x minus a whole square. You compare students, pick a value, b value. From this a is 5, b is this is a plus bx. A is minus 4. So b is 5. Is it correct students? A is minus a 4. A is minus 4. B is 5. Ordered by AB is, so A is minus 4. B is 5. So minus 4 comma 5. The answer is C. I hope you understood students. Minus 4 comma 5. So we have two options now. So write this is minus 4 comma minus 5. Minus 4 comma 5. I hope you understood students. Let us go for solving one more question. Let us try solving one more question. So write if the system of linear equations, x plus ky plus 3z is equal to 0. So next 3x minus 3x plus ky minus 2z is equal to 0. So 2x plus 4y minus 3z is equal to 0 has a non-zero solution, has a non-zero solution, as a non-zero solution, then xz by y square equals xz by y square equals. One more easy question, students. One more easy question solution. Solution exists. It's a homogeneous system of equations. Homogeneous solution exists. Look at this, students. So easy. Solution exists if solution exists if det A equals 0. This is related to homogeneous det A. That implies determinant of 3k minus 2. Next 2, 4 minus 3 is equal to 0. Expand it, students. You go for expanding. 1 into minus 3k plus 4 2s are 8 minus k into column row minus 9 plus column row minus 9 plus 2 2s are 4 plus 3 into column row 4 3s are 12 minus 2k is equal to 0. 12 minus 2k. Simplify this. Minus 3k plus 8. Minus 3k plus 8. Minus 9 plus 4. Minus 5. Minus into minus plus 5. 5k. So plus 36 minus 3 2s are 6k equals 0. Minus 6 minus 3. Minus 6 minus 3 minus 9 plus 5 minus 4k plus 36 plus 4 44 equals 0. K equals 4k equals 44, k equals 11. We got k value, students. Now let us try to find out x value, z value, y value. Let us find out x, y, z. Since the given system is homogeneous, that cannot be solved directly. You cannot solve homogeneous system of equations directly. Here we have a method. Let so z is equal to lambda. You choose z value as lambda variable, z value parameter. You choose for z, you choose lambda. Now you go for using this. You keep solving. You take first one. X plus k is 11y plus 3 lambda is equal to 0. So x plus 11y is equal to minus 3 lambda. Next, you take one more second equation. 3x plus k is 11y minus so 2 lambda is equal to 0. 3x plus 11y is equal to 2 lambda. You solve these two. You go for solving these two. Consider x plus 11y equals minus 3 lambda. 3x plus 11y equals 2 lambda. Subtract 11y get cancels. 1 minus 3 minus 2x 1 minus 3 minus 2x minus 3 minus 2 minus 5 lambda. So from that x is equal to, tell me x value. X value is 5 lambda by 2. So I got x value. It is enough if I find y value. Already I am having z value. You find y. So I can find y easily using the third equation. You use any of your own equation. 2x. So 2x. So 2 into x is 5 lambda by 2 plus 4y minus 3 into z is lambda 0. 2 get cancels. 5 lambda minus 3 lambda. 4y is equal to 4y 5 minus 3 2 lambda is equal to 0. 2 lambda. So you find out y value. So 4y minus 2 lambda, that implies, so y is equal to minus lambda by 2 minus lambda, that implies y is equal to minus lambda by 2. So we got y. Now you take a substitute xz by y square. Tell me x value, students. X is 5 lambda by 2. 5 lambda by 2. Z is lambda by y square. Lambda square by 4. Lambda square by 4. I think lambda square get cancels. Reverse it. 5 by 2 into 4 by 1. 5 by 2 into 4 by 1. 2 2s. 5 2s 10. Tell me answer, students. So 10 is the answer. Which option is correct? Options are not given. Now I write options. So write option A minus 10, B 10, C minus 30. So D 30. Which answer is correct, students? B, option B correct. Let us solve one more question. So write you solve one more question, students. Let us solve. So write the sum of the coefficients, the sum of the coefficients of all odd degree terms, in the expansion x plus root of x square minus 1 whole power 5 plus x minus root of x cube. This is x cube, students. X cube minus 1 whole power 5 is equal to options. Option A minus 1, option B 0, option C 1, option D so 2, option D 2, right? So now let us solve. To use this, students, a plus b whole power n plus a minus b whole power n is equal to 2 times sum of even coefficients is same as sum of, I think, odd coefficients both are same. 2 times you use this NC naught x power n plus NC2 x power n minus 2 x power a power n minus 2 into b square plus NC4 a power n minus 4 into b power 4 plus so on. You use this expansion, students, it's useful. You use this n is 5, a is x, b is root of x cube minus 1. Substitute in that. So 2 times nc naught 5c naught a x power n 5. So plus n is 5c2. So a x power 5 minus 2 3 into b square root of x cube minus 1 whole square plus nc 5c4 a x n is 5 minus 4 1 b so right root of x cube minus 1 whole power 4. That's all, students. You simplify this. Just simplify this. Just substitute. You substitute these things in that ready formula. You will get it. You substitute these things in that ready formula. So write 2 times 5c naught nc naught 1 x power 5 5c2 5 into 4 by 2 factorial 2 into 1 into x cube into square root get cancels x cube minus 1 plus NCR 5C4 is equal to 5C 5 minus 4 1 5C 1 is 5. Use this, students. NCR is equal to NC n minus r. NCR is equal to NC n minus r. Use that, you will get it. Come to this 5C1 5 x. So root means 1 by 2 2 are x cube minus 1 whole square. Simplify that 2 into x power 5 2 2s are 5 2s are 10 plus 10 into multiply x power 6 minus x cube plus so write 5x into expand a minus b whole square x power a cube a square 3 2s are 6 plus b square minus 2ab 2x cube. So write multiply, students. So 2 into x power 5 plus 10x power 6 minus 10x cube. So plus 5x power 7 5x power 7 plus 5x minus 5 2s are 10 x cube into x power 4. Sum of coefficients required. You correct only coefficients. Sum of coefficients. I write here sum of coefficients. Sum of coefficients. So 2 into 1 plus 10 minus 10 plus 5 minus 10. So plus 10 minus 10 get cancels 5 plus 5 plus 10 minus 10 get cancels. Sum of coefficients. You collect only coefficients from this. Coefficients numbers from that 5 plus 5 10. So 2 ones are 2. Answer is 2. Which option correct, students? D. I hope you are understanding. Solving, attending JEE questions is so easy. The thing is, you people have to try. Keep trying. If you solve more problems, surely you can able to. You will get a capacity to solve some questions from your exams. That is the key point. So, right. Thank you, students. We shall meet in the next class. Thank you.